Deep breathing or full yogic breath is a body and mind balancing pranayama. Sit in a comfortable position on the floor or a chair with your feet firmly on the floor. Watch your breath for a bit as it enters and leaves your body. Now place your right palm just below your navel and your left palm on your chest. Breathe out and then breathe in, pushing your tummy out as far as possible, filling it with air. Then your diaphragm, and lastly, pulling the air into your upper chest. Now breathe out, relaxing your upper chest, emptying your diaphragm region, and lastly, your abdomen, pushing it as far towards your spine as possible. You empty your body of air completely. This completes one round. Reload and repeat 15 to 20 times in one sitting. Do it twice a day to begin, and you can do it as many times as you wish with absolutely no side effects. You can do this anywhere. Only one thing, remember, do not breathe through your mouth. Deep breathing is slow and purposeful. It happens at 3 different sections of the torso and naturally engages the vital organs. So how do you benefit, you ask? First, the full yogic breath revitalizes the entire body with pran, or the breath of life. It relieves stress, refreshes the mind, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. You become calm and more balanced. And in particular, it benefits the vital organs, your stomach, your intestines, your liver, and strengthens your immune system. Don't forget to subscribe for all our videos on yoga, breathing, meditation, and mindfulness.